guys, welcome to AppReview.com. Today we are going to review about the app Weather and Clock Widget. Weather and Clock Widget have 6 divisions on its homepage. Weather, My Location, My Cities, Map, About and Settings, that is including widget settings. Coming to the first division, that is Weather. In this Weather division have 4 sections which can be accessed from top left menu to view the weather conditions of forecast for the selected cities, that is up to 10 cities. First section is 5 days weather forecast. In this section, view the details on the last update time, temperature, condition of weather, precipitation, pressure, visibility, dew point, sunrise and sunset, time, UV index, humidity, wind speed, along with the details of the next 5 days including the present day. 10 days weather forecast. In this section, display the weather forecast with the details of the temperature, condition of weather, precipitation, humidity, wind, pressure, UV index, sunrise and sunset times for the next 10 days. Next section, hourly forecast. In this section, display the hourly forecast of temperature, condition of the weather, precipitation, humidity, wind speed, pressure, UV index for next 3 days. Moon phase. In this section, view the moon illumination percentage for the next 5 days. From the options at the top right on the weather division, refresh the details if the details are not updated to the latest time. Share the weather condition through communication apps like WhatsApp, email, message, etc. Add the places to keep track of weather conditions in your favorite place or where your dear ones live, or to keep the track of your future tourist place. If you prefer delete the places, set the time zones, set off for the auto or manual and access the widget settings. Next division is My Location. In My Location, view the present location along with the latitude and longitude coordinates on Google Map. If preferred, enable with the satellite view to view the terrain of the place. In this division, from the top left menu, access weather option to access weather menu. Next division, My Cities. In this division, My Cities allows to track weather conditions of 10 places. Search the place and add the place to keep track of weather conditions or forecasts. These options are very helpful to keep track of your favorite places, places where your dear ones live, or traveling of your tourist destination. With tap on any activity or city, access weather menu to view the weather. Next division is Map. In this division, Map enables you to view the temperatures of the various cities on Google Map. About. In this division, allows the view the version of the app to update with the latest version. If desired, rate the app and view other apps of the developer. Coming to the next division, that is Settings. In these settings, several options on various parameters are provided to customize the app and widget display. My Location. Enable or disable to auto-detect location using data, GPS or select location manually. Automatic updates. If budgeted on mobile data, opt automatic updates like weather, place to update details only on Wi-Fi. Based on preferences and needs, set to update details on roaming, update time interval, that is 1 to 48 hours or never, update time frame, that is start and end time. Next option in settings is manual updates. In manual updates, similar to the automatic updates, Opt manual updates like updating the new version of the app only on Wi-Fi. Set preferences for data roaming or to update on startup. Weather provider. In this weather provider, weather clock and widget access data from 4C and myweather2.com. Based on experience and accuracy, choose the source for the weather updates. Next setting is units. In this, we can set the preferred units for temperature, that is Celsius or Fahrenheit, wind speed, that is from 5 to 5 units, pressure, that is from 13 units, precipitation, mm or in, visibility units, that is miles or kilometers. Widget settings. Select the widget style. Text color. Enable or disable the text shadow. Text shadow color. Clock date and font size. Set preferred app for clock, calendar, event calendar. In the widget, enable or disable to show the week number, wind speed, humidity, pressure, refresh date. High or low temperature, feel like a local time. Date and time. Hourly forecast, moon phases, next alarm, that is most useful for Muslims in the month of Ramadan. Battery level. If preferred, opt for the fixed widget width and height widget. Alerts. In alerts, we can enable or disable the alert sound notified on weather conditions like chance of rain, showers, storm, cloudy, dust, fair, etc. with the preferred sound. Enable or disable vibration. Location temperature in status bar. Display settings. In display settings, we can select the preferred language, that is from 39 languages, themes, that is dark or light, set icon, date format, that is from 25 formats, enable or disable the 24 hours time format, remove leading 0, animation. Finally, in other settings, remove the ads on upgrading with the payment of 202 rupees and enable or disable to load Google Maps on mobile location. Overall, in our opinion, weather and clock widget is featured rich Android app with several customizations. We thank Christopher for updating us with this awesome app as a comment to our YouTube video on One Weather Analysis. Thank you, Christopher. We hope this review is helpful for you. For more app reviews, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.